You must be able to write within the time given. I don't want anybody to sit quietly without turning on your cameras. If you do that, I got the mark register over here. I will minus mark. Okay, I will minus mark. Yes. Now you can be free and you can be by yourself. No need asking anybody's help. Ma'am will help you when we write. Good morning to all. Take a new page and I will tell you what you have to write. Yesterday we wrote meanings, opposites, and I just want Joshika to read all the meanings. I just, Kailina, don't behave like this. Only in my recording, the ma'am will be able to hear only Kailina, because you are doing something and all in class. Just sit quietly. Dancing, everybody can see. Okay. Now, Joshika, read all the meanings. Shashwata, get ready to read all the opposites. Now, Joshika has to read all the meanings. Hurry up, Joshika, hurry up. From your notebook. Yeah. Read. From your notebook.
Genie.
No, giant.
Giant.
Giant is giant. Okay, read.
Giant.
A large person.
A loud person.
Yeah. Second one.
A
Joshika, ma'am will get angry if you don't read after taking the class. Okay, I want John Matthew to read all the meanings. I told you yesterday you have to go back to the recording and read all these things. Okay, John, read. Giant.
giant.
A large.
A large person.
Very good. Second one. Yeah.
Genie grants our wishes.
No, listen. Second one is what? What is the second word in your classwork note? What is wrong with your children? Effie, please read Effie all the meanings.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Giant, a large person. Cottage cheese.
Yeah.
Soft cheese made from curd. Pebble, a small stone.
Excuse me, John. Have you written this in your notebook? Please read. Read from your notebook. What is wrong with you all? Read three things. Yeah, read.
Giant.
Yeah.
A large person.
Second one.
G.
What are going on, Jeannie? Jeannie, I didn't give you. Take out your classwork note and read. Meaning second
Giant,
word.
a large person.
Yeah. Did you write in your classwork note anything like this, meanings?
Yes, ma'am.
Then read the second meaning. What is the question? Tell me the spelling. Number 2, tell me the spelling from your classwork note.
Trouble.
My boy, this is not dictation words. Take out your meanings. Number 2, Roman number 2. I think he didn't write. Did you write, John? Yes or no, John?
No, ma'am.
Then why are you going on telling lies? You can tell me, no, ma'am, I did not write. You can go to the recording and write. Okay, now. Now, Sai, Shashwata, please. I want everybody to complete your English work by Monday. Shashwata.
Ma'am.
All the opposites, Shashwata.
Brave, fearful, young, old, wise, foolish, big, small, high, low, strong,
Good morning, ma'am.
friend, enemy, asleep, awake, happy, sad, pull, push.
Very good. Now take a new page and write Roman number 4. First one is dictation words. Number 2 is meanings. Third is opposites. Roman number 4, please write. And John, I want you to write. That's why you're going on turning off your camera and going. All the parents must see that they have to complete their classwork daily. Otherwise, they will find it very difficult towards the end of the month. Okay, now write Roman number 1 minute. 1 minute. Now please write Roman number 4. Today's date is 22nd. See, it's written 22nd. 10 you write. Please write 22nd in your margin. And Roman number 4. 1 and 5. Roman number 4. That is 5 minus 1, 4. Please write this. Frame sentences with these words. Who's turning on their mic when I'm taking class? I'll go back and see now. Frame sentences with these words. Please write. Please write. Frame. Kylie, I'm not going to call this girl. F-R-A-M-E. Frame. Please write. Today I'm going to inform principal ma'am. Ma'am, these children are not attending the class properly. Let ma'am take decision what to do. They're turning off their cameras and going somewhere. And Kylina's name will be the first one to go to ma'am today. Frame. John, please write. F-R-A-M-E. Frame. These sentences. Sachin, turn on your camera. Akhil, turn. Everybody, Tridev, Jane. Anyway, without inform you, I'm minusing one, but I can't see. Okay, let it be. Akhil, come on, write. Frame these. Frame sentences with these words. Some 5 words are given. You can write your own sentences. Each one. Frame sentences with these words. King. Number 1, king. Don't write everything together. Now write a sentence with king. Anything you can write. I will ask 1 or 2 children about it. Now I want Sai Vasavi to tell one sentence about king. Any sentence. When you write, start with a capital letter, end with a full stop. Sai Vasavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me one sentence. King. Anything you can write. Very simple. Yes, tell one sentence. Yes, ma'am. No.
The king was the kingdom.
No. King was the kingdom is wrong. I will ask somebody else. Wait. Niral, can you tell me? Anyone. You have to write your own. Ma'am is not going to tell.
The king was happy.
Very good. You see, Sai Vasavi can tell king was happy. The king was very old. The king had 4 sons. Anything your own. Ma'am cannot tell. Please write. Please write straight to that. Start with a capital letter, end with the full stop. King, first one.
Sorry.
I will ask you for the special class.
Ma'am, I'm Sanjit, ma'am. Give me chance, ma'am.
No, I'm not giving you chance now. Why are you asking chance? When chance is given, you have to tell. Okay.
ma'am.
When chance is there, when I call your name, you must tell. Okay. Now, when is listening to you, everybody will ask. Now, the king. You can write your own sentence for the king. Leave a line number 2. Everybody I'm calling, when I'm calling, children are not answering. So when you're present, you can't ask like that. You will get a chance because I'm marking, I'm giving mark for everybody for oral. So when your turn comes, you will get. Now you have got all the mark for all, classwork, everything. Special class time, I'll ask you to show the classwork now. Now, second one, after writing the first one, leave a line. Sanjit, it's very nice for you asking, but don't ask like that because everybody will start now, then ma'am won't be able to take class. Now, number 2, leave a line after the first one. Rahil, please read what you have written.
Ma'am, I cannot see the
You cannot see the?
presentation.
Niral, 1 minute. Niral, can you see the screen?
What, ma'am?
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what's wrong with you, John? Don't be pressing this button, that button. You ask your parents to see to it. They can see the screen. Screen is already there. And what is the second word, Effie? What is the second word on the screen? Second word.
Friend, ma'am.
Friend, very good. See, children, when someone tells I can't see the presentation, John, you don't do anything by yourself. Ask your parent to help you. And all will start, ma'am, I cannot see, I cannot see. Okay, friend, I told Rahil to read the first sentence, what he wrote about king. Rahil, please read.
Ma'am, I will read king in stories.
Okay, I see, not I will see, I see king in stories. Okay. Now, second one, friend. Niral, please tell me about a sentence about.
The giant and genie were friends.
Very good. See how nicely. You can write your own sentences, okay? Anyway, he made, he's making. Children all are just something happening there. Please turn on your. That's what I told when children don't know how to operate the system, don't go press this button, that button. All the children, some children left already. Okay, they turned off their cameras. My friend. Now, third one, leave a line, number 3. Special class, I will ask you to show me the classwork note. Number 3. What is the word number 3, Sri Mukilan? Tell me the third word, Sri Mukilan. When I call children, they don't answer. After that, they'll be going on disturbing me. Sri Mukilan, yes, what happened? John's father, something happened to his system. Yes, sir? It's not on. Mic is not on. Turn on your mic, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, some problem is here, ma'am.
He cannot
Yeah,
see.
some problem.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am,
okay,
you have
okay.
to
Never mind,
answer.
never mind. When I send the recording, let him see, okay? Because it's already there. Okay, thank you, sir.
Oh, okay, fine.
Thank you. Sri Mukilan, tell me the third word. Third word.
Yes, ma'am.
Sri Mukilan, 5 minutes to call you and ask you. Third word you read from the screen.
Hard.
Hard. Now,
Hard.
hard. H-A-R-D, hard. Okay, please write a sentence now. Don't see here and there. And turn off your mic. Ahil, tell me a sentence. Yeah.
அவங்க சொல்லுவாங்க நம்ம
Tell me a sentence. Hard.
Sentence போல சொல்லு.
Tell me a sentence. Sri Mukilan, turn off your mic, please.
Earlier
Father, mother, party.
countries. Earlier, capital E.
Sri Mukilan's father, please turn off the mic. You all are talking. I can hear everything. Ahil, tell about. Please tell a sentence about hard. If you know. H-A-R-D. No.
Hard.
No. H-A-R-D, hard. Strong. Hard. Simple sentence. Mishti, never mind, Ahil. Mishti, can you tell me? Mishti. Okay, children, I will give you one example, but you have to write. Shashwata, tell me one sentence about hard. What is hard?
The stone is hard.
Very good. Ma'am wanted to tell you the same sentence. The stone is very hard. One example I wanted to give. The stone. You can write later because no need to write from ma'am now or other children. Now leave a line. You can write when you have time. Fourth word. Thank you, Shashwata. Joshika, read the fourth word. The sentence should be proper. Joshika, read the fourth word.
Ma'am?
Pocket. P-O-C-K.
Okay.
Pocket. Yes. Sanjit, can you tell me Sanjit?
Ma'am?
Pocket. Joshika, you can just turn off your mic because you're taking.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me one sentence about pocket. Say.
That
No, you
that
can
keep
1 minute.
that keep the bird in the one pocket.
You're telling Z kept a bird in his pocket. Now 1 minute. You make your own sentence. You tell your name. I put or I kept money in my pocket. I kept a pencil. No, I kept an eraser in my pocket. Like that you say your own sentence. Don't take from the book, okay?
I have money in my pocket, ma'am.
Okay, good. You can write.
I have chocolate also, ma'am.
Okay, it's only one, Sanjay. Don't be going on talking. Only one answer. Leave. Just turn off your mind.
What is the third one, ma'am?
Third one is hard. H-A-R-D, right? You can write your own sentence. Ma'am won't tell. Please, John, copy all the words fast, leaving one line. The fifth one, happy. Write happy. Happy. H-A-P-P. Trideb, tell me one sentence about happy. Children, I want you to copy the words.
Happy to ride a bicycle.
Very good. I'm happy to write. You can write anything. I'm happy that I'm living with my parents. I'm very happy to have a sister with me. Anything. It's your own choice. You can take your own time and you can write. Just leave those who did not write. Write only the words and keep because I have to give you some questions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Whatever you write, you must write properly, starting with a capital, end with a full stop like that. Okay, now we are going to the next one because you can think and write the sentences. But this one you have to see and write. Now, take a brand new page for the next question. You can go back to all the words are written. John, did you write pocket and happy? Question?
No, ma'am.
Please leave a line and write John fast. You can write the answers later. Just write pocket and happy. Afterwards, you can think and write the answers. Only
Fourth one is pocket, ma'am.
pocket, P-O-C-K-E-T, pockets. There on the screen. Oh, you can't see. Did you write first one, king?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one, friend, F-R-I-E-N-D. Leave a line, hard, H-A-R-D, hard. H-A-R-D, hard. Third one. Fourth one, P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T. Are you writing? You can see this recording and write also. Fifth one, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Now,
Ma'am, fourth one, ma'am.
how many times I'm telling? Pocket, P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket. Okay, children, now I'm going to the next one. Now you finish this. Take a new page. You have to think and answer. I'll give you time to think. Then I'll give you the answer later. But you have to tell me the answer. Roman number 5 in a new page. Write within the double rule line.
Ma'am, number 7th.
It's number 1. Roman number 5 in the margin. Think and answer.
No.
TRINK, new page. You have to think. Now, please write the first question. Who came into the system? Who came into the system? Sorry, who came into the kingdom? I'm always thinking of the system here. Who came, sorry children, into the kingdom? Jane, can you tell me the answer for it?
Jane went into the kingdom. Jane.
Z. Okay. 1 minute. Now, Cyrus, who came into the kingdom?
A giant came into the kingdom.
A giant. Okay, Rahel, can you tell me who came into the kingdom?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Giant came into the kingdom.
See now, 1 minute. You cannot say giant, a giant. Okay, now you have to think an answer. So I finished giving you time to think, and 3 of them answered. A giant came into the kingdom. Sia, please write exactly like this neatly. No other answer you can write for this. So I gave you time to think. I got the answer from you. You have to answer like that. ANS, answer in the margin. A giant. GIANT. See children, you have to learn only a giant. Rest of the thing from the question, just like a print you are writing. Instead of question mark, full stop. A giant came into the kingdom. John, you can see the recording later, because I won't be able to tell all the questions and spellings. A giant, cameras are not on, minus mark. A giant came into the kingdom.
Came.
Yes.
What is the spelling of came?
Now wait. See, who's that? John. John, CAME, came. John, I won't be able to tell all this, John, because you can go back to the recording, and when your system is okay, you can write.
Okay,
Who
ma'am.
came
Okay,
into
ma'am.
the kingdom? Came, CAME, because other children will be disturbed. A giant, GIANT, came into the kingdom. Yes. After the question, after the answer, leave a line. Hope all would have written. Please hurry up, children. Only one sentence. That also only one word you have to write. A giant. The rest you can see the question and write. Number 2, leave a line. Write number 2. No need to draw the line now. Leave. Now, children, this will be a little bit confusing. That is Z-E-D, Z. Who was Z? That is Z capital letter, children? Please write how ma'am taught you. Z-E-D, Z. Who was Z? Number 2, don't write think and answer again. Number 2, after the first answer, leave a line. Who was Z? I want, wait. Ritik Pranav to answer. Ritik Pranav.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Who was Z?
Z was a tailor.
Yeah, somebody else
Ma'am,
is
please
talking.
wait,
Don't
ma'am.
like. Huh?
Ma'am, I'm John Matthew Thomas. Please wait.
Can you see the screen?
Ma'am, I'm writing the answer, ma'am.
Who was Z? Now, John, in between, please don't talk, John. Now, Ritik, tell me the answer.
Z was a tailor.
Yeah. John, I'm asking others, no, let them speak. Z was a tailor. Z-E-D. Okay, John. who was Z? You know the spelling of Z-E-D. Was W-A-S a tailor? T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. That was a tailor. Don't make mistake. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. I think all would have written. Did Tridib, have you written? Tridib?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kailina, what about you? Did you write? Don't tell that ma'am is very fast. I'm waiting for you more than 5 minutes for each question. Only one sentence. Yes?
I'm writing.
No, you cannot say I'm writing again. Write soon. Who was Z? Z was a tailor. Third one. Leave a line. Write question number 3. How did the king reward Z? I will wait. Children, see what happened, Rahil? Did you write?
I'm writing, ma'am.
Which one?
And the third one, second one, ma'am.
Second one, did you write?
I'm writing, ma'am.
Know the answer right now. Z was a tailor. Which one? Tell me, what did you write? Z was a tailor. Spelling. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor.
Ma'am, spelling of Taylor?
T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor.
T-L-I?
Sure. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Full stop. Now leave a line. Write third question from the screen. Children, when those who are using phone, you will find difficult to read, see and write. Very hard it will be. Yes. We'll go back to the question. Anyone, only one child. Can you tell me the answer? Yes?
Ma'am, Alan. Rewarded by a soldier in his army and gave him many gifts.
I am telling Alan to answer because he said first. Let him say. Others also I will tell. Yes, say.
King made Z a soldier in his army and gave him many gifts.
Very good. Now, after that, Tridip, then Effie. Come on, Tridip, say fast.
The king rewarded Z. He made Z a soldier in his army and gave him so many gifts.
Very good. Now, Effie, tell your own. Others,
Can you
right?
tell me the spelling of reward?
Effie.
Yes, ma'am.
John, please, John. Don't disturb the class, John. You can do it later. Let others write now. Each spelling you're asking, wait. Now, how did the king reward Z? 1 minute. Tridip, you finished. Now, Effie, tell me the answer, your own answer.
The king made Z a soldier in his army and gave him many gifts.
Please write, children. This is the last question. Number 3. After the second one, leave a line, write. How did H-O-W. When I dictate, at least John, please write. D-I-D, did the king. T-H-E, the king. K-I-N-G, reward. Z-E-W-A-R-D. Reward. Z. Z-E-D. Question mark. Write the answer now. The king made Z a soldier. Look at the screen. Screen it's given quite big. All can see. A soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R. In his army. I-N-H-I-S. His. See, when I dictate like this, it will be a disturbance for everybody. Just see and write. The king made Z a soldier in his army. Then he gave him many gifts. It's already time. Please write. Ma'am will wait for you. No, you can write. Ma'am will wait. Please write. Now who's this showing the answer? I'm going to give 0. Cyrus, don't show now, Cyrus. I will ask you some other time, special class. Some children haven't written. Very good. Close it. Now time is up, children.